Yeah. आप थोड़ा सा आगे जा सकते हैं। इट्स ऑलरेडी शोइंग। यू कैन टेक अ क्लोज अप व्यू हियर ऑल्सो।
दे हाथ दो।
अच्छा
Now teachers, after the flag hoisting is done, Mrs. Leroy will say, school, salute the flag, we salute over there. After that she announces, now we shall take, now the national anthem, praising out, okay? Then that we sing there and then we move toward the assembly.
ছবিগুলো শেয়ার করুন। লাইভ হচ্ছে কখন একটা দেখা যাচ্ছে।
Few teachers go that side area. Again, and we often stand this side they should see us. Or is that side? Yeah, no, first come.
দিস সাইড ম্যাম, কিছুজন ওইদিকে যান, ওই সাইডে যান।
Now, umbrella, as in the three or plus are being evenly distributed.
নো ম্যাম। Orpita ma'am, you go this side, no?
Good morning everyone. Today is our 74th Independence Day, a day which is very special in the life of every true Indian. Welcome you all to the flag hoisting ceremony of Purushottam Bhagchakta Academic School. Every year we have a grand celebration of this day in our school. But due to the pandemic situation this year, we are having the program online, as we all know that the spirit of freedom cannot be dampened by the lockdown. But we are not happy today. Do you know why? Because we are missing our students so much. We cannot think of school without our students. Now we shall have the flag hoisting ceremony. I would like our principal ma'am and the management trustee to do the honor of hoisting the flag. School, salute the flag. Now we'll have the national anthem. Now I request all of you to just proceed towards our assembly area. This was our basketball ground where we had our flag hoisting, and now we are all moving on for a short cultural program. Though the students are not there, the teachers will be performing. Please be seated all of you. Now I will request our principal ma'am to please come up and share a few words on this auspicious occasion.
forget that many brave hearts laid down their lives so that our country is breathing this day. So let us never take this day of independence for granted. This historic day is really different from the previous years. A very unprecedented celebration indeed, where we do not have our students, our participants, our teachers, guardians, well-wishers present in school with us. I miss the excitement and enthusiasm displayed by the students and participants, but I'm sure they are with us through this live celebration on the Facebook. I would like to share with our students that as we pay tribute on this day, we realize the power of unity. This unity can strengthen our nation. The diversity of our country enriches our culture and traditions. Our developments in military, social, economic, political fields on a global platform makes every Indian realize the achievements and strength of this great nation. Though we are not present in school together, but still we celebrate the spirit of sacrifice, freedom, and salute the indomitable spirit of independence. Though we have been affected by the global pandemic COVID-19, but it could not dampen our spirit from observing the 74th Independence Day of the world's largest democratic nation. I would like to close with a quote. The future depends on what we do in the present. Therefore, students, utilize your today for a better tomorrow. The students of PBAS are leaders in the making who will bring the bright, sunny tomorrow and make their school proud. Once more wishing you all a very wonderful, happy Independence Day. Stay safe, stay positive. Jai Hind.
Now I would request our Managing Trustee, Mrs. Kirti Bhagcharka, to share a few words with us. Welcome, ma'am.
Dear students, teachers and parents, we are celebrating 74th year of Indian Independence Day today. As auspicious as this event is, Independence Day at PB Academic School is incomplete without our super energetic and cheerful students, encouraging parents, and our entire team of enthusiastic teachers, as only handful are present today. We really hope to see all our students back at the school campus pretty soon. We are also closely monitoring all the progress done by the students and their participation in various clubs and activities, and are very proud how well the classes are being managed online in this difficult situation. A special mention to all the teachers and parents who are making sure that the learning never stops, which is in true spirit of our school motto, Shraddhavan Labate Gyan. We do not know when will this current situation end. So I request all my students to take these online classes with equal sincerity as they would have done coming to school. Your entire academic year and your results now depend on how sincerely you take these online classes. So keep learning, keep growing, keep making school and your nation proud. And the most important announcement, everyone, I am very happy to announce the opening of admissions for classes from pre-nursery to class 5 for the next academic year 21-22 from today. So please share this information with your friends, neighbors, work colleagues and others, as parents are our best brand ambassadors. Stay safe, stay healthy. Vande Mataram.
Thank you, Principal Ma'am, and thank you, Kirti Ma'am, for your words with us. Now we have arranged for a very short program. I would like to call upon Mrs. Thomasri Sharkar to present a Bengali song before us. That was really a very nice song, a very well-known song to all of us. Now I would request Mrs. Sharvani Sharkar to share a message on Independence Day.
Good morning, parents, students, and everyone present here. This year we are celebrating 74th Independence Day, but this year the celebration is quite different due to the COVID-19 pandemic. In our school, every year we celebrate Independence Day with a lot of enthusiasm and pride. The children also participate wholeheartedly in this great event. But this year, the school is closed due to the pandemic and the students are confined to their home. I hope that everyone present here will agree with me that without our students, all our celebration is incomplete and without them, we are nothing. But we will not let the situation to dampen our spirit of freedom, and we will be having an online celebration today in order to enable everyone and especially to help our students to participate in this event. Before ending my speech, I would like to remind everyone that we are passing through a very difficult time indeed, but do remember that tough time never lasts, but tough people do. So stay home and stay safe. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day.
Thank you, Mrs. Sharkar. The words were really very, very true for all of us. Now, I will request Mrs. Madhuri Pandey and Mrs. Bhavna Sogasaria to present a Hindi recitation before us.
कविता आपके सामने पेश कर रही हूँ। आजादी का आज तिरंगा ऐसे यूं लहराता है जैसे मस्त पवन का झोंका पत्तों को लहराता है। आजादी के इस जलसे को सारा देश मनाता है, जैसे सारे रंग मिलाकर एक नया रंग बन जाता है। आजादी का है आज तिरंगा ऐसे यूं लहराता है। नई उम्र, नई तरह, नया विजन, कुछ अलग सा है, जैसे सात सुरों से मिलकर गीत नया बन जाता है। आजादी का आज तिरंगा ऐसे यूं लहराता है। आजादी को पाने की खातिर हमने जान लगाई है, यह जज्बा रहे आजीवन, यही कसम हमने खाई है। आजाद आज तिरंगा ऐसे यूं लहराता है जैसे मस्त पवन का झोंका पत्तों को लहराता है।
Thank you a lot, both of you. Now we have another message which will be shared before us by Mrs. Shorishta Mohan.
Good morning everybody who are present here and my dear students. At first, let me wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today, we are celebrating the 74th Independence Day of India. Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny. Now the time has come when we shall redeem our pledge, not wholly or in full measure, but very substantially. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and success. You, our dear students, are the hope of our country and our nation, want your support for the development. For the past few months, we are having been going through a challenging period due to the COVID-19 pandemic. But we can proudly mention that our students have been very cooperative with us to carry on the entire education activities through the online platform. We all are away from each other at present, but we are united. You are the nation's precious human resource. You did not let the education system come to a standstill even in this challenging time. This sense of responsibility makes you a good citizen. We hope our dear students will not only make us proud, but also contribute for the progress and development of our country. Jai Hind.
So, we have come to the end of our today's morning program. But do not forget, you have to all tune in again at 5 p.m. to watch the marvelous cultural program, which will be presented by our student from classes pre-nursery to 12. Now let us all pledge today to carry on with our duties and obligations towards our country, towards everything to make us the proud Indians. We all pledge today to be the true Indians. Thank you everyone for joining us on live today. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.